Hello everyone, today we're going to compare Athlytic and Whoop, two popular tools for health and fitness tracking. So Athlytic is an app designed for Apple Watch users, providing comprehensive health and fitness analytics, including recovery, readiness, and workout recommendation. While Whoop is a dedicated fitness tracker paired with a subscription service focusing on 24/7 monitoring of strain, recovery, and sleep to optimize performance and well-being. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their detailed features as long as their pricing and pros and cons. And at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Athletic and Whoop, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you can also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now let's go directly to the features comparison. So let's talk about their tracking metrics. So when it comes to Athletic, they tracks HRV, as I said on the previous video, which is heart rate variability, recovery and sleep quality, stress levels and energy readiness. While Whoop tracks HRV also, strain and sleep quality, recovery metrics and calorie expenditure. When it comes to workout recommendation, Athletic provides personalized workout suggestions based on the HRV that they track and recovery status. And when it comes to Whoop, they offers workout suggestions tailored to strain and recovery data to optimize performance. For their sleep tracking features, Athletic offers detailed sleep stage analysis and recovery insights, while Whoop also provides in-depth sleep tracking, including disturbance and optimal wake times. For their user interface comparison, Athletic have a clean and data-focused dashboard optimized for Apple devices and enthusiasts, while Whoop, they have an intuitive and modern with mobile app integration for real-time insights. When it comes to integration with devices, so as you can see, Athletic works with Apple Health, Apple Watch, and other iOS devices, while Whoop, they includes proprietary Whoop strap for continuous monitoring, and they have no third-party device integration. For the hardware requirement, so Athletic have no hardware needed, and it works exclusively with iOS-based data sources, while Whoop, they requires a Whoop strap, which is a subscription, includes the device. And when it comes to recovery insight, Athletic emphasize HRV and sleep for recovery calculation, while Whoop uses strain, HRV, and sleep data for a comprehensive recovery score. And for the customization options, Athletic offers configurable metrics and thresholds adjustments for recovery and activity intensity, while Whoop is they have a limited customization but highly detailed automated insights tailored to user activity. And for their community features, so Athletic, as you know, they lack social or group features for community engagement, while Whoop they includes group challenges and a community platform to connect with other users. Last but not the least, reports and data exports. Athletic they provides detailed exportable reports for further analysis, while Whoop on the other hand they only focus on app-based insights with minimal export options. So yes, that's it for the detailed features comparison. So now let's go directly to their pricing comparison. And when it comes to having a free version, as you know, Athletic and Whoop, they don't have any free version available. So you need to pay or you need to have a subscription plan in order to use their platform. So when it comes to their subscription plan, Athletic offers their premium plan for $5 per month or $30 per year, while Whoop, on the other hand, they offers a immense $30 per month or $360 per year, and that includes the device. And for the one-time purchase, so both platforms they don't offer a one-time purchase or a lifetime purchase of the premium plan. So you need to pay monthly. And last but not least, trial period. So, of course, Athletic offers a 7-day free trial for new users for their subscription plan, while Whoop, on the other hand, they offers only a 1 month a return window for hardware, which is the device. So yes, that's it for the detailed pricing comparison between Athletic and Whoop. So now we're done with the pricing, and also we discussed their detailed features. So now let's go directly to their pros and cons comparison. And let's start by discussing Athletic pros and cons. When it comes to pros, Athletics is an affordable and accessible app via Apple devices without needing additional hardware. They offers detailed recovery and HRV tracking, ideal for fitness enthusiasts. Then they also provides personalized workout suggestions based on recovery status. And last but not the least, they have a clean user interface optimized for data-heavy analysis. So yes, that's it for the pros. And when it comes to cons, Athletic is limited to the Apple ecosystems, excluding Android users. And of course, they have a no built-in hardware, relying solely on data from connected devices. And they lack a community platform or group challenges for social engagement. And lastly, they have an overwhelming. They can be overwhelming for casual users due to its highly detailed metrics. So yes, that's it for the athletic pros and cons. And when it comes to Whoop pros and cons, let's talk about pros. Whoop, they have a comprehensive tracking with continuous data monitoring via the Whoop strap or the hardware. And they have a recovery insights combines strain, HRB, and sleep for a well-rounded score. They have a community features that allows group challenges and social engagement. And lastly, a hardware is included in the script or in the subscription, ensuring data consistency. So that's it for the pros. And when it comes to cons, Whoop, they have a very high subscription cost compared to Athletic, which is $5 per month, and for them they have a $30 per month for their premium subscription, and they requires hardware use, which may not be appealing to those who prefer device pre-tracking. And they have a limited customization options for user-defined metrics or thresholds. And lastly, they have no standalone purchase option for the device, so that subscription is mandatory. And yes, that's it for the Whoop pros and cons. And now we're done with the pros and con comparison. So now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And I'm going to discuss that by discussing who should choose the platform itself. So first, let's talk about who should choose Athletic. So Athletic is referable for someone who is an Apple user looking for affordable fitness tracking without additional hardware, someone who prefers data-driven insights for optimizing recovery and performance, someone who values detailed exportable reports for personal or professional analysis, and someone who wants a cost-effective alternative to subscription-based hardware platforms. So yes, if you have all of these qualities right here, Athletic is the choice for you between the two. And yes, for the people who should choose Whoop, so Whoop is referable for someone who wants continuous tracking and detailed recovery metrics through a dedicated device, someone who enjoys being part of a fitness community with a group challenge and social features, and someone who prefers automatic insights with minimal manual configuration, and lastly, someone who can afford a premium subscription and values hardware included services. So yes, if you have all of these qualities right here, Whoop is the choice for you. And yes, that's it. So in conclusion, both platforms, Athletic and Whoop, serves different audience based on their needs and preferences. Athletic excels in providing affordable app-based insights for Apple users, while Whoop offers a premium experience with continuous monitoring and community features. So you need to choose Athletic for cost-effective data-driven fitness tracking without hardware dependency, or opt for Whoop if you want a comprehensive hardware integrated approach with a focus on recovery and community engagement. So yes, that's it. So I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option, because that's it for today's video. And make sure to subscribe and like on our channel, and comment your feedback if you have a feedback about my video. So now that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.